Okay, y'all. It's the first day of Journey, aka Valentine's Day. And let me show y'all my outfit. What's happening? Oh, yes. Y'all. Mercedes, my first Valentine. Yay! Okay. Got this from Sadie's.
Okay. You want me to say what I got on?
Very delicious, yes.
Right. Okay, I got this top from Amazon. I got my leggings from Target. And then my shoes are Merrill.
Period.
And I got on Tiffany jewelry. Oh, okay. Sheen.
Period.
Roman.
Okay.
I don't know. Doc Martin.
Okay. Okay, the toes was crazy.
Right.
Y'all, my friend is like, she's a lover girl now. She's a lover girl now. She's literally a lover girl.
You're supposed to have thorns on them and keep up.
And Jeremiah fit. Y'all, I'm gonna do a fit check with everybody, so yeah. Guys, this is Amina looking sexy. Yum. This is looking scummy. Yeah. This is Jameson. Yeah. Maybe I'll just look at it. This is honesty. Honesty. Show your fit of the day. Honesty.
Lanaya, show your fit of the day.
Okay, y'all, we just got done with the show run of the conservatory, and not gonna lie, it was hot, and I don't know.
I'm going to the gas station with school at.
Ooh, you put the hole in your mouth?
Yes.
Okay. Ouch. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I'm ready to go home.
Oh my god.
All right.
Time to eat.
Biggest chicken or something. I'm getting me a double Big Mac tomorrow.
What I want tomorrow? I don't want no McDonald's tomorrow. What else is by McDonald's?
Nothing. Popeyes. It's a Burger King. It's really no restaurants around here. It's a taco place.
I might go taco.
I think it's like 15 minutes. It's the one me and Hannah went to.
Is it good?
They have got those dip tacos. That's I'm not a big fan of those, but you might like them because you like tacos.
Wait, is this the place I told him to go to?
Yeah, that place.
Dang, y'all go all the way over there to that
We went after school though.
I'm saying y'all go all the way. We can't go all the way over there. We ain't gonna be back in time.
Oh.
Let's rush hour after school. It's a taco place now. Let's go. We go to our holding room and we're styling the show. My hair looks so... Do I look bad?
Oh, I thought you come in the back. No. I was like...
No, for real, friend. You right. I don't even know what my holding room is. Blue because... Get me censored on YouTube.
Wait, so do I put this on?
You don't even supposed to have it in your hand. Don't get nothing that Penny don't tell you to get. What? Sam, point that toe. Clock. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm tired. Where I park after school. Oh, bro, my legs hurt. And I say tomorrow, I'm gonna bring y'all like when I do my speech and stuff, because I don't really dance. I don't dance tomorrow. I just talk. But I am really, really tired because I had to run and my leg hurt. Like, I really don't know what to do. Not gonna lie. So, let me just YOLO this shit out. Say love. Make sure y'all subscribe to our channel. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. And if y'all don't, hang out. Oh, rabies is crazy. Hey, vlog. We finished our show, and yeah, bye, love. Okay. that was short and sweet. Bye, Bianca. Like my legs hurt. Like, oh, bad word. I can't. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Not gonna lie, guys, I'm tired. AJ, what time you gotta get to school? What time you get to school?
I don't know.
No, I'm saying, what time do you have to be at school?
8.
Okay, let's go. We gotta get there. Oh shoot, we're late. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been recording today because it's not a lot that we can do because it's the same day, but just different classes. I got English, and I honestly been sleepy, and I'm gonna do my makeup in English. I'm not gonna show y'all that again because y'all already seen it, but I'm ready to go. Y'all, we're walking up the stairs. Stop! I got chicken from lunch. Sorry, stop digging in my butt. No, I literally told you they had chicken. No. I'm sick of walking. Upstairs, I'm tired of walking. No, you're not gonna love my chicken. I told you to get some chicken. Makai, where you get donuts from?
There's only one. That's not no.
I want a donut now.
Hi guys. Pretty in the brown tights. Take 2.
No, for real.
Eating these hard cakes.
Give me some. Grab one. Oh! What the fuck? Yeah, why is it so hard? They working hard. Juicy and wash out.
Let me get in the bed. Everyone, my name is Tyra. And my life is kind of crazy.
I know, right? No, literally. No, seriously. I'm glad you did that. Say hey to the vlog, Destiny.
No, she doesn't get to say hey to the vlog because
Destiny, say hey to the vlog. Hey. Oh, dang. Tamia, say hey. Say hey to
When you respond, hello. Hey vlog, my sinuses are so bad and my eyes keep running, so that's great.
Yeah, what's up? I'm surviving on $10 right now. Hey,
Okay, great. Sam, how is it going over there? Why are you over there stretched out? Lou working. What the? Lou is not working.
I'm waiting on my damn food.
Okay, period.
Why would you do that to me?
Oh wait, no, you.
Y'all, I just told Miss Tracy I had to poop, and I can't hold it anymore. I can't do it.
Hey vlog, so it's already chilling here and we're in our holding room this is Ballet E and this is Horton A. And Lanaya's in there doing her little speech. She's a curator. I think she's, who's she? I don't know who she is, but she has on a pink skirt, so cute, and a pink guitar. And yeah guys, we've just been in here all day. And we just performed for the board. It went really well. That was probably the best show we ever did.
I don't know, it kind of looks weird. Her phone is really nice.
It's big and like clear.
Bro, oh no. They're going away. My slick. The edges. Anyways. Yeah, she said she finna take a nap. She moved freaking CEO's chair to take a nap.
The CEO, her name is K-A-Y, maybe. M-A-B-I-E.
So, okay, maybe. Yes. Anyway, see you and I hope you did really good. And yeah, this is Journey of the Brown Heights Day 2, Show 3. Yep. Bye vlog. Bye vlog.
Starting with your journal. In 2010, United Nations General Assembly adopted Resolution 64-292. This enshrined, quote, the right to safe and clean drinking water and sanitation as a human right that is essential for the full enjoyment of life and all human rights. Do you agree or disagree?
I'm not gonna lie, y'all. So I wasn't going to record on this thing because let me turn this off real quick. I'm always in the bathroom, but I wasn't gonna record on my phone. But I just got done with the last show of Journey of the Brown Ties, and it was good. Good feedbacks, good everything, good vibes, and I literally was so impressed with myself. Like I just felt good about myself. Like the whole vibe was good, and it was so nice doing the piece, the wave piece. Nice experience. One other thing is I gotta wash my hair. When I say stiff, it's stiff. Like this needs to be washed. This just needs to be washed. So let me wash my hair. That's the end of this video. I didn't record that much today because I was tired. But I love you guys, and I hope you have a good, blessed day or night, or whenever you're watching it. Goodbye.